Siemens and Bellona have entered into a strategic cooperation to put energy efficiency on the agenda in Norway's biggest cities, Smart City. It was time for Oslo, the Norwegian capital, to become a smart city. Our insight told us that the biggest potential for energy savings in Oslo was within the commercial property sector. By using more energy-efficient solutions, the commercial property sector in Oslo alone could save energy equivalent to 1/3 of the total energy spending in Oslo, worth 20 million euros a year. But the commercial property owners are bombarded with boring brochures, ad campaigns, and conferences about why energy-efficient solutions is important. The problem is, nothing happens. That's why we had to think differently when Oslo was about to become a smart city. Our strategy was to show real proof of how important energy-effective solutions were for the commercial property owners in the future. We found proof amongst the one group the commercial property owners had to listen to: their rent takers. We knew that companies in Oslo wanted more energy-efficient solutions in their office buildings, stores, restaurants. So all we had to do was give them an opportunity to be heard by creating a movement, which we called Yes to the Big Electricity Cut. The movement made it easy for companies in Oslo to raise their common voice against energy wasting by signing up and spread the words to other companies, making the impact even stronger. We launched a new movement in a campaign office in central Oslo. From the campaign office, we mobilized through a telephone campaign where we encouraged leaders of companies in Oslo to say yes to the big electricity cut. The Environment Minister made the first telephone call to Norwegian Industry, one of the largest and most influential trade organizations in Norway, and encouraged them to say yes to the big electricity cut. The answer was yes. The next weeks were all about two things. One, involving important alliance partners such as politicians, opinion leaders from companies in Oslo. Two, creating new interesting stories and share them with a target group in owned, earned, and bought media. At Twitter, we challenged companies to say yes to the big electricity cut so that they could challenge others to do the same. And we sent out the world's first flying tweet, which challenged commercial property owners to take energy efficiency seriously outside their own office buildings. 248 companies and organizations in Oslo said yes to the big electricity cut. The campaign also gained support from a range of important politicians and organization representatives. Among them, the Environmental Minister, the Oslo City Council leader, and several central Oslo City Council politicians and the Norwegian Property Federation.